find the extreme value of the function f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. So answer is, first you have to write the given one is f of the functions of two variables x and y, which is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. First you have to find, already we know the working rule to find the extreme value. Step 1 is find fx, that is dou f by dou x. So dou f by dou x is equal to x cube if you are differentiating 3x square minus 3x if you are differentiating minus 3. So remaining element will be 0. Fy dou f by dou y, y cube if you are differentiating 3y square minus 12. Next step, f xx dou square f by dou x square. So 6x dou square f by dou square f by dou y square, fyy 6y, fxy, fx you can differentiate with respect to y, that will be 0, or else fy you have to differentiate again with respect to x. So fxy, fx you have to differentiate with respect to y means fxy, fy you have to differentiate with respect to x means fxy. So that will be 0. So therefore fxx, what is fxx? That is, in the working rule we have noted fxx is equal to a. Fyy we have taken as c, which is equal to 6y, b which is equal to 0, right? So next you have to find the stationary points. To find the stationary points. To find the stationary points, fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0. We have to make fx is equal to 0, fy is equal to 0. So therefore, fx is equal to 0 means 3x square minus 3, which is equal to 0. So 3 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus 1. In the same way, fy is equal to 0. So therefore 3y square minus 12 is equal to 0. So 3 into y square minus 4, which is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 4. Y is equal to plus or minus 2. So you have to know here there are two values, x equal to plus or minus 1, y is equal to, so x is equal to plus 1 minus 1, y is equal to plus 2 minus 2, right? So therefore you can write it as x is 1 minus 1, y is 2 minus 2. The combination are the stationary points. So the stationary points are 1 to 1 minus 2, 1 to 1 minus 2, minus 1 to minus 1 minus 2. So the 4 points are called the stationary points. Okay, so for using this one we are going to find we are going to find 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 2. So 4 points I have written. Here we have to write using first one is A is equal to 6x, C is equal to 6y, B is equal to 0, AC minus B square, AC minus B square. So next one is conclusion. Let us see how to find. First one element is x, 1 is x, 2 is y. So A is equal to 6x, 1 is x. So 6 into 1 will be 6. Okay, so this is greater than 0. Next x equal to 1, 6, that is also greater than 0. Next x equal to minus 1, minus 6 is less than 0, minus 6 is less than 0. C is equal to 6y, y is 2, so 6y 12. Second one, y is equal to minus 2, so minus 12. Third one, y is equal to 2 plus 12. Fourth one, y is equal to minus 2, so minus 12. Now AC, B is equal to 0, so there is no value, 0, so everything is 0. AC minus B square, A is 6, C is 12, 72 minus B square is 0, so 72, it's a greater than 0 or less than 0, greater than 0. 6 into minus 12, minus 72, less than 0, minus 72, less than 0, 72, because minus 6 minus 12 plus 72 is greater than 0. Next we have to know the working rule. If you know the working rule, you can easily solve. So working rule is, if A is greater than 0, AC minus B square is greater than 0, we will call it as minimum. Both are greater than 0. A is greater than 0, AC minus B square is greater than 0, that is called as minimum. AC minus B square less than 0 means saddle point. Third one is also saddle point. AC minus B square is greater than 0, A is less than 0, that's why this is called maximum. So this is very important. Next we have to write the maximum point, minimum point. So the maximum point is, minus 1 comma minus 2. So f of x comma y, which is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. So here you have to apply f of minus 1 minus 2 for x minus 1, for y minus 2. So minus 1 whole cube minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 minus 12 into minus 2 plus 20, which is equal to minus 1 minus 8 plus 3 plus 24 plus 20. Okay. So 38. Okay. This is the maximum value for the maximum point minus 1 comma minus 2. The minimum point is, 1 comma 2. So f of 1 comma 2, which is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 12 into 2 plus 20, which is equal to 1 plus 8 minus 3 minus 24 plus 20. So therefore answer is 2. Okay. So 29 minus 27 is equal to 2. So this is the minimum value. So minimum value is 2, maximum value is 38.